Hi everyone, good morning. This is Sirisha from First Cry Intelligence. Welcome to Interly Summer Camp. Today here we are together to have a great time, and today I'm going to tell you a new story. And before going to a story, let's sing a rhyme. Two little dicky birds sat on a wall. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Yes. Today I am going to tell you a story about a bird. The name of the story is The Bird and the Banyan Tree. Yes, let's go to the story. One day a bird was flying in the sky and he was very happy and he was flying, flying, flying. Suddenly a hunter came and he threw a stone. He threw a stone to the bird and the poor bird fell on the ground. He fell on the ground. He was trying very hard to get up, but he was not able to get up only. What do I do now? How do I go now? None of my family is here. None of my friends are here. Will I ever get back my home? Oh, what do I do? Said to himself now. Now he said to himself and he got an idea. He decided to stay nearby one of the trees and slowly he went to a banana tree and requested him, "Can I stay in your home for few days? My broken wing is broken." "Shh! Go away," said the banana tree. The poor bird slowly went to the next tree. You know what it is? The mango tree. Yes, it was a... Seeing at the bird, the mango tree said, "Go away from here. I don't have any place in my branches. Go away," shouted very loudly the mango tree. The poor bird was crying, crying, crying and feeling helpless. Suddenly, he heard a voice. "Hello, little friend, little bird, come to me. We both can become a good friends. I have more place. Come to me." She was saying here and there, where is the voice coming from? And you know, children, where was it? It's a banyan tree. Yes, it's a banyan tree. The banyan tree said to bird, "I have more space in my branches. You can comfortably stay in my branches so many days." The bird said, "It's so kind of you, Mr. Banyan. I love to stay with you." She was very happily wanted to stay here. Suddenly, a voice came from the sky. "Oh, banyan tree, you will be rewarded for the kindness you are showing now. You will be the strongest of among all the trees forever, and you will live a long life and always give shelter to variety of birds in your branches," said the voice. You know, children, the banyan tree is really very strong. So, moral of the story is, if you give good to one and return, you will get a good. That's the end of the story. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.